how to delete Messenger account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete the Messenger account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on settings, which can be seen at the top. And now from here, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as account center. So right below that, just tap on the option labeled as see more in account center. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account center. Now here, what you can do is simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on the option labeled as password and security. Or you can simply go back, and here you can simply tap on personal details. And now here in this section, just tap on account ownership and control. And after that, simply select deactivation or deletion. And now here in this section, just select the account that you want to delete. And after that, on the next page, simply select delete account and tap on continue. And here, once you're done with that, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on continue again. And here, you can give the Facebook the reason for the deletion of your account. And with that, you can just tap on continue. And here, you can just tap on continue again. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on continue again. And here, at last, you simply have to enter your Facebook password again, and after that you can just tap on continue, and with that you can just tap on deactivate account or delete account, and once you do that, your account will be deleted from Facebook and Messenger. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.